Hello everyone, welcome to our Probiz ERP learning channel. I am Chirag Thakur. We are proud to offer an industry-leading ERP solution that can streamline the business processes. Today, we will have a quick tour of Probiz ERP interface. Once you will enter a user credential, you will get this selection pop-up from where you can select a principal company, work location, plant, and financial year on which you want to work on. This is our user interface. From the title bar, you can review the company information, and from the status bar, you can check the login username. If you having a multiple work location plant, you can change that information by clicking on the change login company. This is our toolbar. Toolbar will be activated or enabled as per the user's role and permissions. This is our menu bar. This is our menu bar on the left side, which we have bifurcated into a master data, transaction data, and reports. Further, we have bifurcated it into a modules. And whenever you will click on a particular module, user will get a menu on which they want to work on. Moving ahead, this is our ERP, Probiz ERP search engine, where user can directly type the menu name. Let's say I want to create indent. So system has suggested the menus which are available in our Probiz ERP, and user can directly click on the menu and you can start the working on the same. Moving ahead, this is our favorite menu bar from where user can mark this menu as a favorite. Just click on the favorite menu and it will be marked as a favorite. Now you can access this menu from favorite menu bar. As you can see, indent creation is visible here. Now user can directly open the menu and they can start working on the indent. Next, this is our alert menu from where user will get all kind of alerts as per their role and responsibilities. User can enable and disable alerts as per their requirement. This is our internal Probiz ERP internal mail communication system where user can communicate with the ERP users. They can select a particular ERP user and they can draft a mail and they can communicate with each other. Also, from internal mail communication system, you will get all kind of alerts related to transactions as per the alert setting which we will configure in our Probiz ERP. Moving ahead, this is our sign off icon from where you can directly log out from the Probiz ERP and your session will be end. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this session